Hello, Sula here from MistyHilltops.com. Thanks for stopping by. In this video, I'm working on a greeting card that I titled Pumpkin Spice. I'm using a paper from an unnamed fall paper pad, and I'm also using one of my freebie card sketches that you can find as fully functional silhouette and SVG cut file on my website, MistyHilltops.com. I'm further using a stamp set, pumpkin dies, and a scalloped circle die, and then you see there is also this mat that I'm using just now. I'm gluing on, and that is also a die. I think it's from a Stampin Up set. So I'm starting by putting the that pattern paper onto that mat that I have prepared, and then I cut a round circle, just plain cardstock, and then a scalloped circle is a die. These are both dies, and then these are pumpkin dies that I used, and so I just colored the pumpkins. So I just die cut them from white cardstock, then I colored the pumpkins, and now they can go onto this page. And then I created two kind of flags or banners, and they just go off the kind of the pumpkin label there. And so now the label needs to be glued down, and this is pretty much the card done. So it's a very quick and simple card, and doesn't take much time to do. I'm going to leave you with some more close-ups. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did. Consider subscribing, and I hope you have a great day. Thanks for watching. Bye.